Well, first up, let's begin exactly what is now expected today to happen. And this is the case that we are talking about with the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who still is lodged in the Tihar jail. But when it comes to the proceedings legally that has been taking place, the answer now lies with the Delhi High Court, which today is all set to decide whether his bail application that was raised on part of the trial court and thereafter was challenged by the Enforcement Directorate holds any truth. Now, here, when it comes to last-minute pause on his bail last Friday, Arvind Kejriwal is now hoping that the Delhi High Court will rule in his favor. While granting bail to Kejriwal last Thursday, the trial court maintained that the ED failed to furnish direct evidence linking Arvind Kejriwal to the proceeds of crime. The court further noted that the ED's silence on how the proceeds of crime were allegedly used during the Goa Assembly elections by the Aam Aadmi Party in 2022, which was one of the agency's principal contentions on the use of money, reportedly demanded from a group of liquor dealers from the southern states of India, which is called the South Group. We have Akansha with us. Akansha, good morning. Today is the day as far as Arvind Kejriwal is concerned, because he did approach the Supreme Court yesterday, but all eyes today will be on the High Court verdict.
Really?
Akansha, can you hear me? All right. Today is the day when the High Court verdict, which is expected, the order that was reserved previously, and Arvind Kejriwal and his legal team, however, did approach the Supreme Court in the meantime, challenging and saying that the High Court, meanwhile, as they await the verdict, the Supreme Court also on its part refused to intervene, saying that they need not prejudge when it comes to the High Court verdict, and asked when it comes to the counsel or the legal team of Arvind Kejriwal to wait till the time the High Court verdict is announced. We have Akansha with us. Akansha, big day today for Arvind Kejriwal as far as the Delhi High Court will be pronouncing its verdict.
Well, that's right, Amita. Delhi High Court is scheduled to pass an order on ED's plea seeking stay on trial court's order granting bail to Chief Minister in excise policy case. Remember, he had also moved the Supreme Court yesterday. And yesterday, while the Supreme Court refused to give any immediate relief to him, but it had observed orally that the High Court's approach was a bit usual. The Supreme Court said this because as soon as the ED, after the grant of bail to Arvind Kejriwal, moved the Delhi High Court, the High Court put a stay on his release and then kept the matter for today. And yesterday, the Supreme Court called this approach a bit unusual, but did not give any immediate relief, in fact, to the Chief Minister, saying that the order is slated to come today, and that is why it cannot give any relief as of now. So today is going to be quite important. It remains to be seen whether the High Court allows Arvind Kejriwal to come out or not.
All right. High Court verdict that is now expected after 2 p.m. today. Will be standing by for the developments. Akansha, thank you very much for getting us the updates.